Hey, stop scrolling. Yes, I am talking to you because what I'm about to say might make you uncomfortable. You are not stuck because of your situation, you are stuck because of your fear. Think about it. How many times did you want to do something big but you didn't? Start a YouTube channel, leave a job you hate, talk to someone you like, take a risk that could change your life. But you stopped yourself. Why? Because you thought, what if I fail? What if people judge me? What if I'm not good enough? And slowly, without realizing, fear started controlling your life. But here's the truth, friends. Fear is not the problem. Running away from fear is the real problem. And today, you are going to understand fear so deeply that you will never look at it the same way again. Let's understand this clearly. Fear is not your enemy. It was designed to protect you. Thousands of years ago, fear saved humans from real danger. If you saw a wild animal, your brain instantly said, "Run, that's survival." But today, there is no lion chasing you. Yet your heart races, your hands sweat, your mind freezes. Just because you want to speak in public, start something new, take a risk. Why? Because your brain cannot differentiate between real danger and imagined danger. When you think, what if I fail? Your brain reacts as if failure is life-threatening. Will Smith once shared his experience of skydiving. Before jumping, he was terrified. His mind was screaming, something will go wrong. This is dangerous. But the moment he jumped, fear disappeared and excitement took over. So friends, remember, fear exists only before action. After action, it fades away. Let's be brutally honest. You don't lack talent, you don't lack opportunity, you lack courage to act. And the biggest reason is fear of judgment. Think about this. Why do people not post videos online? Not because they can't, but because they think, what will people say? And slowly, you start living for others. You stop taking risks. You stop expressing yourself. You stop growing. But the deep truth is, fear doesn't destroy you instantly, friends. It slowly kills your potential. Failure. The word itself scares people. But let's change the perspective. J.K. Rowling. Before becoming one of the most successful authors, she was broke. She was a single mother and struggling with depression. She wrote a story, but no one believed in it. Her manuscript was rejected again and again, 12 times. Now imagine, friends, if she had stopped because of fear, the world would never have known Harry Potter. So remember, failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. Let's see another example. Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times trying to invent the light bulb. People called him crazy, but he said, I didn't fail, I just found ways that didn't work. So remember, most people quit when they are closest to success. Now let's talk about risk. Because without risk, nothing changes. Jeff Bezos. He had a high-paying job, a comfortable life, but he had an idea, selling books online. In 1994, this sounded crazy. Everyone told him, don't do it, it's too risky. But he asked himself one question, will I regret not trying? And that question changed everything. Today, Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world, we all know. Let's have a look on another example. Elon Musk. After earning millions from PayPal, he didn't relax. He risked everything. Tesla, SpaceX, both companies almost failed. He was on the edge of bankruptcy, but he didn't stop. And today, he is changing the future of humanity. So friends, the deep truth is, risk feels scary in the beginning, but regret feels worse in the end. You know what? Comfort zone feels safe, but it's a trap. You wake up, do the same things, live the same routine and call it stability. But in reality, it's fear in disguise. Dwayne Johnson. His football career failed. He had only $7 left in his pocket. He could have stayed safe, but he didn't. He took a risk, entered acting, and became one of the biggest stars in the world. Friends, comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing grows there. Never forget it. Now let's get practical. First, understand this. Fear will never disappear completely, but you can control it. How? Step 1. Face it. Write your fear, not in your head, on paper. Because unclear fear is powerful. Clear fear is manageable. Step 2. Question it. Ask yourself, what's the worst that can happen? And most of the time, you will realize it's not that bad. Step 3. Take action. Not big, small. One step, then another. Oprah Winfrey, she was fired from her job, told she wasn't fit for television. Imagine that. But she didn't stop. She kept going, and today she's one of the most powerful media personalities in the world. Friends, final truth is, fear disappears only when you act. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine yourself 10 years from now. Same life, same fears, same excuses. And then one thought hits you badly. What if I had tried? That regret is the most painful thing in the world. Friends, fear will always be there. Even successful people feel it. But the difference is very simple. They act anyway. Courage is not the absence of fear, friends. It is action despite fear. If this video changed your thinking even a bit, don't ignore it. Take action today. Comment, I will take risks. Share this with someone who is scared to start. Subscribe to Bodhi Tree Learnings for more powerful content. Your life changes the moment you stop listening to fear and start taking action. Thank you so much, friends. I will see you soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Love you. Bye-bye.